So I'm here today with Dion, and Dion, I just got a couple of questions I wanted to ask. So how come you decided to come down here to get your car cleaned?
Well, it needed cleaning, it's local and it's helping supporting the youth of the community.
Why do you think people should come down and support young people like myself and the others who work with Genuine Futures?
It's teaching them valuable skills, how to, learn their trade, and it's giving them experience in life, and obviously conversing with people and getting a bit more confidence.
And do you think we should do more stuff in Little Lever and within and around Bolton?
Definitely. I mean, I'm from Little Lever originally, but I live in Radcliffe, but I got aware of this due to the leaflets that were distributed in Tesco's. So yeah, definitely.
Thank you for your time.